In today's video, I am going to teach you how to configure flexible shift in Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are signed in to your Zoho People account and you are on the main dashboard. Flexible shifts are useful when employees are allowed to start and end at different times while still meeting a required number of work hours for the day. Setting this up correctly helps your attendance and timesheets stay accurate, even when schedules vary. First, look at the left sidebar and click Attendance. This takes you into the Attendance module, where shift rules and schedules are managed. Next, go to the top menu and click Settings. This is where Zoho People keeps the configuration options for how attendance is tracked, including shift policies and scheduling. Now in the Settings area, move to the left sidebar and select Shift Schedule. This section controls how shifts are created and assigned. It is also where you can define whether a shift is fixed, flexible, or built around core working hours. Once you are on the Shift Schedule page, click the Assign Shift button. This starts the process of creating and assigning a shift. If you are setting up a flexible shift for a specific team, it helps to choose a clear name that reflects who it is for or when it applies. Enter the shift name, then find the flexible shift option and toggle the switch to on. Turning this on tells Zoho People that employees can have variable start and end times, as long as they meet the required work duration you set. After that, define the total work hours. For example, if your standard day is 8 hours, enter 8 hours here. This value is important because it is what Zoho People will use to evaluate whether enough time has been worked, even if the exact clock-in time changes from day to day. Then, enter core hours if your organization uses them. Core hours are the window of time when employees are expected to be working, even within a flexible schedule. If your company does not require core hours, you can leave this out or set it according to your policy. Finally, click Submit to save the shift. Once submitted, your flexible shift is configured and ready to be used in your scheduling and attendance tracking. That covers everything you need to know.